So thank you so much again for joining and sharing your Saturday with me. I'm so honored to have you here for Data-Driven C-Suite. As you know, my name is Gunjan from GoEmerald, and GoEmerald essentially is a digital transformation and innovation consulting firm. The way that I like to describe my work is it's bringing people, bringing various perspectives together, whether that's technology, business, customer, right? We'll talk about a lot of those different types of perspectives. You see some of them on the chart down here as well. Bringing all of them together towards a common goal in such a way that the results are, first of all, visible, they're measurable, and then they're repeatable. Because that's my view on consulting on digital transformations. So this would be a very interactive session, as you could probably already tell. Feel free to use chat. Feel free to, just jump in with your questions. Before we dive into some of this, you could see the quote from Harvard, right? Executives complain that data science doesn't provide the guidance that they hope for. So post-pandemic, a lot of businesses, a lot of leaders are very, very interested in using data to make decisions, and rightly so, right? You can't rely on intuition anymore. So we'll dive into that a bit more. That's from a larger article, which I'll share with you a little bit later. But to start the conversation, I thought of putting together these 3 questions that you see on my screen